am Manideep, a second year student at NIAT. In NIAT, we are going to solve real world problems in first year and second year. I felt different because the way of approaching from the start is different from other colleges. At the start, they are explaining very good and the support here is very good. My journey started with HTML and CSS. With my creativity, I have built some projects. Slowly, my curiosity turned into passion, and then I started to explore more about Python and JavaScript. With that, I am started building new projects daily. Whenever I got any problem or any errors, I have very good help with my mentor. They are always helpful for me. When I heard about the internship opportunities, I got very much excited, but as well as I got more scared because there are so many competitors with me. At that time, I started studying more hard and then cracked the internship. Actually, I am an AI journalist at iCogz company. Whenever I get any error or I am very stuck with any problem, I will just go to my mentor. As NIT students who have experienced freshers, we have more experience and that's why we have more scope on getting jobs and outside.